Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm in San Jose in Blossom Hill, and we have coming up a really sharp, very clean 3-bedroom 2.5-bath townhouse, South San Jose. It's a built in 1988. Living space is approximately 1,166 square feet. It's an end unit, so you technically just don't have two neighbors. You just have one neighbor. Really nice association. Just off the main roads here. Right here at the commuter-friendly areas of highways 85, 87, and Highway 101. Has a one-car attached garage. The address is 5228 Jacana Court, and that's in San Jose. And I'll take you inside. Really nice unit. Shows very well taken care of. Just a nice spacious living area. With a fireplace. Recessed lighting. But for 1,166 square feet, there's just a lot of room here. So this is the downstairs area. Storage closet here. Here we have the guest bathroom. Some nice updates. Newer fixtures. Pedestal sink. Floor is tile. Has central heat and central air. Then into the dining area. Very functional kitchen with upgrades, granite counters, stainless steel appliances with improved lighting, recessed lighting. There's a wonderful garden window overlooking the backyard. Yes, you do get a backyard in this unit. That's the other selling feature here. Electric range with oven. Built-in microwave. Tile flooring. Area for pantry storage. There's the view from the dining area into the living area. Attached garage with interior access. Garage has been improved. Has tile flooring. All the utilities are out here. Garage opener. Newer insulation for the system. Central heat. There's a softener. A water heater. Just a Very well kept, tidy garage area. This place packs a lot. And then out to the backyard. Wonderful. Glass French doors. Nice deck. Very roomy area. It's not just a small patio. It's actually a patio plus with some additional space. Great for summertime parties. AC compressor units outside. Has the faux grass, so it's very low maintenance. It's very well kept. In a very centralized location here, South San Jose. HOA fees are approximately $225 a month, so it's very affordable. Homeowner takes care of the exterior, and basically it's just for maintenance for the common areas. You have newer flooring just installed in the staircase. Banister rail, bolsters. It's hard flooring throughout, no carpeting. You have indoor laundry. Facing forward to the front is the master bedroom. Has panel doors. There's the master bath with upgraded fixtures. Beautiful vanity. Everything's nice and neutral. There's the access into the attic. Nice, open, spacious, airy master bedroom with pitched ceilings, ceiling fan, laminate flooring throughout, closet here, more closet space here, panel doors. There's the view out front. Two more bedrooms, secondary bedrooms. So here's bedroom 2, used as an office. Has crown molding. And again, the laminate floor runs throughout the unit. Done a great job here. Panel closet doors. Good sized bedroom. Cabinet storage here. And then bedroom 3. This one's smaller of the two. It's just a nice, clean, tidy Townhome. Minutes to Silicon Valley. It's also very commuter friendly to Blossom Hill Caltrans off of Monterey Highway, and also the Snell VTA station, which is also close by as well. Walking distance to a very popular park here, Marshall Cottle Park, and very close to many schools. Upstairs bathroom, single vanity, and again, updated, newer fixtures. It's a shower over tub. Plenty of light in this unit. Windows are everywhere. Just a very clean unit. It'll be affordable for San Jose. And I should have this ready for the market here by Thursday. Should be a hit. As clean units have a tendency to do very well. So it's very centralized. It's very close to a lot of eateries, malls, the Oak Ridge Mall, the Almaden Shopping Plaza. Again, it's an ideal location in the association because it's an end unit. If you have any questions, my name is Harry Cordiano, Flat Rate Realty. I can be reached at 510-506-8686. And thanks for watching today.